Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to add music to Instagram Story. To start this tutorial, go ahead, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, create a new post by adding to your story. In here, you can choose anything that you want in your gallery. Now swipe up and then look for the music bar here on the settings. And then, using search, you can go ahead and find any music that you want to use for your Instagram story. Go ahead, take your time, don't worry, I'll be here waiting. Just make sure you get the best one for yourselves. Now once you chose your music, go ahead and click on the play icon. This will allow you to download the music. Just wait for it to finish actually. Don't worry, I'll be here waiting. Now once done, you can go ahead and click on the music and choose which part of the music you want to add to your story. In here, you also have the option to whether you want to see the lyrics, the album cover, or you want captions together with the lyrics. It's all up to you. And that's it. Just click on the arrow button that says next. You're all set and ready to go. That's some great story out there. Once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel.